It removes the spots from your face in just 3 nights. Today we're going to show you how to prepare several recipes that will remove dark spots and stains from your face. The remedies are completely natural, so you don't have to worry about adverse side effects. 1. Potato and lemon juice mask. Ingredients: 1 potato, lemon juice, from a lemon. Preparation and use: mash the potato well first, then squeeze half a lemon in it, and mix until you get a homogeneous mixture. After you're done, apply the paste on your face and massage in circular movement, then leave it to act for 20 minutes, before rinsing with water. Both potatoes and lemon are natural whiteners that can easily bleach your skin. 2. Potato and onion mask. Ingredients: in onion, 1 potato. Preparation and use: the preparation for this mask is easy. Just mix the ingredients in a blender, then apply the mixture on your face. Leave the powerful whitening mask to work for 15 minutes, then rinse with cold water in the end. 3. Potato and cucumber mask. Ingredients: a cucumber, 1 potato. Preparation and use: mix the vegetables in a blender until you get a homogeneous mixture. Next, clean your face well, and apply the mixture on your face, then rub in gentle circular motion. Leave the remedy to work for 25 minutes and rinse with cold water in the end. 4. Potato and carrot mask. Ingredients: a carrot, 1 potato. Preparation and use: like the previous mask, just mix the ingredients in a blender until you get a nice smooth texture. Apply the mask on your face, then rub it gently, and leave it to work for 20 minutes, before washing with water. Use any of these masks and your face will be clean and spotless in just a short time.